Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. It is the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription unboxing. So this month is Romance. Passionate red hues form the basis of our color palette this month, with accents of purple and pink. Highlights include garnet, genuine garnet, crackle agate, quartz, and purple aventurine gemstones, while eco-friendly man-made coral and coral red shell pearls create a romantic look without damaging reefs. Sparkling crystals and swirling antique copper findings complete the collection. So every month, they put together a collection like this and offer a 30% off coupon to their subscribers for their sister store, beadboxbargains.com. If you're interested in subscribing, you can use coupon code Turquoise for $2 off your first monthly subscription. And please use the link below in the description. That is an affiliate link, so it helps the channel. I'm going to lay everything out and I'll be right back. So number one is really pretty. We have a 64 by 40 millimeter Chandelier Focal component, which is lead, nickel, and cadmium free. I don't know if we've gotten this one before, but I know we've gotten something very similar. However, I do like that the components are all antique copper this month. I don't like that faux rose gold that they use, so I really do like this. And you know, this is right up my alley. You can put a cab right there, hang a bunch of things down. You can cut off some of these if you don't want to use that many chandelier pieces, which I would probably, I don't say I probably would, but I might cut off all of these but this middle one and then hang like a nice teardrop pendant there. I think that would be fun. So that was number one. So unfortunately, I got two number threes instead of a 2 and a 3. So number 2 was supposed to be a 1 meter strand of 3 millimeter steel Rollo chain, lead, nickel, cadmium free, which is unfortunate because I like Rollo chain. I guess I could contact them, but I did get 2 number 3s. So number 3, 4 pieces of 22 by 19 millimeter chandelier length, lead and cadmium free. These are cute, very reminiscent of the pendant. These make really cute earrings. I do like, you know, the tribal look, so those make me happy. So I got 2 of those instead of a number 2. Number 4, we've gotten this before. It's a 42 by 39 millimeter medallion pendant. I have this. Actually, I can prove I have it because I have it sitting right next to me in a necklace I haven't finished. And I'll show you. Hold on. So I actually used it in this necklace. And the reason why it's not in like my bedroom or anything is because I haven't patinaed it. I wanted to patina it to match the rest of the necklace, but I just think it's funny that we got it again. I don't think I bought this like separately from their sister site. I think it did come in a box. I couldn't tell you when, but it's funny because I could prove that we've gotten that one before. Number 5, 7-piece 13 millimeter 4 loop links, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Those are nice. I like these. I love connectors. I will definitely use those. Next, we have number 6, 4 sets of 18 by 13 millimeter toggle clasps. You know I love toggles. I use them all the time. I actually think we've seen this one before, but not in this size, which is funny. We have these in a different size, or at least I have these in a different size, but I like the little small ones. I tend to use those on more dainty bracelets and necklaces. Number 7, a 10-piece 9 millimeter Medallion Drops, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are adorable. I love them. If they get more on their website later on, I would definitely buy them because I just love celestial things, and that looks like a sun to me. Really like those. So far, I'm pretty much liking this box. There's a lot of metal going on though, because we haven't even gotten to beads yet. Number 8. 50 pieces, 4mm corrugated Bicone spacer beads. I'm wondering if they just put all the metal at the front of the box instead of throughout the rest of the box. Cute. Those are cute. I don't have those. I know it's crazy when they say something like I don't have those, but I know I don't have, and I haven't seen these before. Number 9, approximately 7-inch strand, 4mm shell pearls. They're man-made round beads in coral red, and it says high quality pearls man-made by layering nacre over a center seed. These are pretty. Those are really pretty. They do look like coral. I love those. I would use those as a spacer. Number 10. Approximately 17-inch strand of, that's a long length, of 3 by 2mm crystal Rondell beads, Flirty mix. These are tiny. And I like the color. I like the colors in the AB. I love that, that coral pink. Those are pretty. Those would go well with coral pink beads. I actually just placed an order for Bargain Bead Box today. They got me with their email. They're like, hey, we got new stuff. I was like, oh, hey, I need to go buy stuff. Anyway, number 11, 40-piece, 4mm faceted cubic cylinder crystal beads, Alexandrite shimmer. Oh, okay. I like that shape. It's like fire polished almost, but the ends feel like they're topped off. Those are cool. Those are tiny. I would use those as spacers too. Got tiny beads in this one. Number 12, 16-inch strand of 6 by 4mm crystal Rondell beads in scarlet. That is a bright red. Bright red. I like it. I like it. Those look like red hots. Number 13, 4-piece, 16.5 by 9mm floral man-made coral barrel beads. So these look like faux cinnabar to me. And they're actually the wrong color for cinnabar too, but they're cute. I like faux carved stuff. I like carved stuff. Those are cute. Those would look really, I always say red looks good with turquoise. So I don't know that I'm seeing like you get the theme is romance because it's red, but this seems more like tribal to me than romantic. I guess. To me. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I like this box so far. Especially for it being red. That's surprising for me because you know I don't love red. 14. 20 pieces of 8mm 4-petal bead caps. Lead, nickel, cadmium free. There's one flipped over. They're all flipped over. There we go. We've seen those before. I know I have those. Number 15, 20 pieces, 8 by 4mm crystal faceted rectangle beads, vintage rose AB. These are really pretty. I love the luster on here. The AB is really nice. It's almost like a silver. These are really pretty. Oh no, that one's broken. I hate that. I hate when that happens, but you know, it's kind of hard to package all these beads together and expect them to just survive every single time. It doesn't happen. No matter who the manufacturer is, who the shipper is, it won't happen 100% of the time. So I'm okay with sacrificing one of my little beads. Number 16, 25 by 15mm faceted quartz teardrop pendant, dyed raspberry. That is cute. That would look, didn't I just say a drop on the end of here? I think I would do a bigger drop though. I mean, like a big mama, but that's really pretty. I know some people are going to end up putting that in front of that or dangling that from underneath that. And I think it's really pretty. I'm sure that's what they intended. Number 17, 7-inch strand of 8mm crackle agate dyed heated round beads, cherry red. This is a cool color. I have some red agate, but it's not this exact color. It's a little bit brighter red. And I like this. This definitely reminds me of like cherry. Like this reminds me of a cherry soda or something. I love it. Almost like a red velvet cake. Number 18, we have 10 piece, approximately 10 millimeter enamel coated glass beads in pink and cream. It's funny because they just uploaded some of these to their site today in different colors, and I actually ended up buying, I think, black and like a cyan today just to test them out to see if I liked them. They kind of look to me like, you know, like waves, like the foam on the ocean. Oh, these two are stuck together. Could probably use pliers to get those apart, but they look like waves on the ocean or foam on the ocean to me. And it's a little bit, it seems a little bit more sturdy than just like a coating on the beads. It seems a little bit, like I said, a little bit more sturdy. Number 19 is a 7-inch strand of 3 by 2 millimeter garnet finely faceted Rondell gemstone beads. We get garnet from time to time from them. These are so teeny tiny. So teeny tiny. I would definitely use those as spacers or something. They're so pretty though. I like the variation between the dark and the lighter color. Number 20, 26 by 30 millimeter carved rose man-made coral pendant. And coral is in parentheses. This is, I think this is just acrylic, but it's pretty. You've seen me do stuff with flowers that look like this. This one's just a pendant. Before I had a connector and made an asymmetrical necklace with it, but this is really pretty. I used to use stuff like this all of the time when I was making jewelry for Etsy. That would be pretty to hang on there too. I could see this hanging from like a filigree, or it's funny that they gave us a bunch of pendants this time. I know somebody's gonna like end up gluing theirs to this pendant, which is fine. I don't really love that there's a hole up there, but I think it's a really pretty pendant. You could do a lot with that. I think it's really pretty. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. I don't think anything in here screams romance other than maybe this and these, the garnets, and maybe the crystals. But I think the box is cohesive because it's red and pink, but like I said, it doesn't scream like a theme to me. And then, not that I don't like it, it just doesn't scream a theme. Number 21 is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter purple aventurine round beads. Aventurine makes me laugh because none of the colors are ever what they say. Like red aventurine is like sometimes orange or like white. So I don't know if it's very pale. This is supposed to be purple. It's brown. It's brown and pink. It's like a almost like a sandy color, like a muddy color. I would say this is closer to sunstone than purple, but like I said, aventurine can have weird names for the colors. So, but I like it. I like it. I think it's a pretty stone. Overall, I do like this box. I like it a lot. I think my favorite pieces are this flower. Oh, definitely these drops that look like, you know, little suns. I really liked these crystals and the agate and the coral pearls. I think these pieces together would look really fantastic. So let me know what you thought. What was your favorite thing in the box? Did you get yours yet? And what are you thinking about making with some of this stuff? I got to think it out because I saw a bunch of different things that I wouldn't put together, but I have ideas for this. I have ideas for this. I have ideas for this. So the problem is trying to get them done. But if you're interested in subscribing to Bargain Bead Box, check out the link in the description below. That'll take you right to their site, and use the coupon code Turquoise so you can get $2 off your next box, or the first box, excuse me, the first box of your subscription. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Oh, you get your toy? Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Go get it. Go get the toy. Goldie, go get your toy. Bring me your toy. Oh, there it is. Bring it. Give me it. Oh, you silly goose. Bring it to me.